Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a full set on these hands today. It's going to be a sculpted full set, so I will be using forms. You're going to see me prep the nails very well before I apply any acrylic product or the forms. I'm going to be removing her cuticles with the cuticle bit and then etching the surface of her natural nail using a fine sanding band. Once that process is completed, I'm going to be applying a primer. And once the primer is applied and dried, I'm going to apply a very thin layer of Ice Ultra Clear to be a barrier and a base coat between the natural nail and the color on top. I'm going to be using colors from ctones.com. These colors are glittery, shimmery, and they also glow in the dark. So I'm going to be accomplishing both a vertical and horizontal ombre. Once each design is completed, I'm going to encapsulate the entire nail in Ice Ultra Clear, not only to build up the body and the strength of the nails, but also to build up the apex. So glitter acrylic is very easy to ombre. So you're going to see me just slapping it on there and patting it into each other. It's no special technique. Glitter ombre is extremely easy to accomplish because the glitter kind of fuses into itself and creates the blend on its own. Don't forget, I'm going to encapsulate each nail in Ice Ultra Clear once the design is done. Alrighty, so on the next hand, it's going to be the exact same design, same pattern. So I'm going to allow you guys to just watch and sit back while I watch with you and be quiet. So thank you guys, and don't forget, it's never too late to subscribe. Click out subscribe or subscribe while you're here. But thank you guys so much, and I'm going to see you once the acrylic is dry and it's time to start filing. Alrighty, so now we are done with the fun part, and I'm going to start shaping using my extra coarse sanding band. Now this client wanted a true coffin shape, not too square and not too tapered. So I'm going to create them a little bit longer, sculpt them a little bit longer like normal, just to give myself some room to file, hand file, and also use my e-file. And that way the nails won't be too short and my client can leave happy. The hand file that I'm using is an 80 grit hand file from Amazon. Once I'm done shaping, I'm going to be creating a smooth surface on each of the nails using my medium sanding band. When I'm finished blending the surface of each nail, I'm going to be going in with my comb bit to remove any excess product from the cuticle area. To finish the nails, I will be applying a gel top coat and curing. Unfortunately, in this video, I was not in the correct camera view, so I didn't get a good recording of me applying the decals, the crystals, and all that fun stuff, unfortunately. But I know I will make up for it for you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget that everything that you see me using can be found on ctones.com and California Boutique, that's California with a K. And make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We have glow powder, glow decals, and all that fun stuff. So I appreciate you guys again so much for watching. God bless you all, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.